Hey guys, I am Shruti and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the recipe of high protein dosa. This high protein dosa is the perfect getaway from the regular dosa. This is highly nutritious and filling. And the best part of this recipe is that batter doesn't require fermentation, so you can instantly get down to making your dosas right after grinding the ingredients in the morning after soaking them overnight. So without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, I am adding in a cup of raw rice, half cup moong dal, 1/4 cup split chana dal, 1/4 cup toor dal, 1/4 cup urad dal, 1/4 cup sabudana, and 2 spoon fenugreek seeds, also known as methi seeds. Adding in some water, and I am going to wash and rinse the dals and rice for a couple of times or until the water runs clear. Once rinsed, adding some water and allow it to soak for about 6 to 7 hours. Okay, after about 6 to 7 hours, rice and dals have soaked really well. And now into another bowl, I am adding in a cup of flattened rice, that is thick poha, and adding in some water and allowing it to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. While the poha is soaking, let's get chutney ready. Into a kadai, add in about 2 tablespoons of raw peanuts. Roast peanuts on medium to low flame. And no need to remove the skin. Next, into the same kadai, add in about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and roast for about 2 minutes or until golden and fragrant. And take care not to burn the sesame seeds. Once sesame seeds are roasted, into the same kadai, add in about a spoon of oil. Into the same, add in about 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Roast for about a minute or until they turn golden brown. Into the same, add in about 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Roast for about a minute. Into the same, add in a spoon of coriander seeds. Roast for about 1 or 2. Next, into the same, I am adding in few chopped green chilies. You can increase or decrease chilies to suit your taste. Lastly, I am adding in a sprig of fresh curry leaves. Roast everything for about 1 or 2 minutes, then turn off the flame and allow it to cool down. Next, transfer in all roasted ingredients into the chutney jar. Next, I am adding in the roasted peanuts. I am also adding in the roasted sesame seeds. Next, I am adding in garlic cloves. Next, I am adding in a spoon of salt. Next, a half a cup of fresh curd and also a cup of water. And grind everything to a smooth paste. You can also pair up this dosa with coconut chutney, or you can also try some of my chutney recipes. All the links will be updated down below this video. You can check it out. Yes, now the poha is soaked really well. Now I am adding in poha into the soaked dal and rice. Into the same, I am adding in 1 chopped medium size onion. Next, into the same, I am adding in fresh coriander leaves. Next, I am adding in a spoon of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Next, a spoon of salt. And now blend this to a smooth batter. Batter should not be too thick nor too thin, but it should be of pourable consistency. And cover the lid and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, open the lid and add in about 2 tablespoons of oil and give it a good mix. And to make this high protein dosa, I am greasing my cast iron tawa with potli. I have already shared a video on how to make cloth potli. Link will be updated down below this video. Please do check it out. Once the tawa is heated up, stir the batter and pour in 1 ladle full of dosa batter and then spread it out thinly. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Drizzle in a spoon of oil or desi ghee on the sides of the dosa and allow it to cook for about a minute. And after about a minute, cover it with the lid and cook for about 1 or 2. And after about 2 minutes, you can see that dosa is cooked really well. Once done, serve this dosa with peanut chutney. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.